Today, I'll be sharing some essential tips for your child's dental care and building healthy habits early. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Dr. Safia Anwar. I'm consultant endodontist. The most frequently asked question is, why do baby teeth matter? Well, that's because baby teeth help your child with chewing, speaking, and maintaining space for adult teeth. Also, poor dental health may lead to caries and pain, which has a drastic effect on your child's mental health. When to start cleaning? Well, you should start cleaning even before the tooth erupts. Start wiping your child's gum with a piece of wet cloth. The first dental visit should be scheduled within 1 year of tooth eruption. For brushing, use a grain-size amount of toothpaste for a child who's under 3 years of age. For a child who's above 3 years of age, pea-size amount of toothpaste should be used. The brushing of each child should be supervised until they are 6 to 7 years of age. Building healthy eating habits plays a crucial role in the dental health. You should encourage your child to eat healthy snacks like cheese, yogurt, fruits, and vegetables. Water should be used instead of cold drinks or soda drinks. Common mistakes that need to be avoided are the following. Number 1. Do not let your child go to sleep without brushing their teeth. Number 2. Do not put your babies to sleep with their bottles on. And number 3. Do not think that the baby teeth do not matter. Remember, healthy dental habits start early but they last a long time. Taking out few minutes each day can make a big difference in their overall health and confidence. Start early, stay consistent, and make dental care a healthy habit and a fun activity for your child, because their healthy smiles start with you.
पाकिस्तान के टॉप डॉक्टर्स के साथ अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करें, वो भी पेशेंट फीडबैक देखते हुए। आज ही ओला डॉक ऐप डाउनलोड करें। ओला डॉक, डॉक्टर का अपॉइंटमेंट आसानी से।